Next to oil, the bullion is the second biggest imported by the country. Now, apart from this, putting lot of restrictions, it will create illegal activity. That means smuggling of gold will take place, which is not good for the country. Everybody knows about some years ago, when there were lot of restrictions on gold, there was lot of smuggling went on. Recently, government also increased the custom duty, but public may not know that they are paying 2% more because it is at the time of import only the custom duty is collected. Therefore, the customers do not know what they are paying. Whatever the restrictions are there, they must be reasonable, but not so hard to say the gold must not be imported, must not be taken by the people. Everybody knows that every Indian is fond of gold. Whether he is rich man or a middle man or a poor man, everybody will buy something, some gold or the other. Even after huge price for the gold, people are still buying gold. My opinion, my request to the government is not to put hard and fast restrictions on the business. Only reasonable restrictions will do good. We were requesting the central government to ban forward trading, MCX trading on bullion, just like on food. They have removed it on food grains. Because of this, there is no delivery nor payment of cash, or only margin money is taken and is all only on paper. Therefore, my request to the government is to delete the bullion from forward trading. If a customer knows me, he will come to me only. He will not go to any other person. Now, regarding this wastage and making of 1 gram balance, so all it is not practical because the wastage, a goldsmith who manufactures the jewelry has to do that softening things he must do. By that, the little bullion is wasted. It goes into the mud. Even people now, the present circumstances, I don't know, but previously, whatever the dust is collected in the Saraf Bazaar or gold market bazaar, people used to pay money and take that dust because it contains some bullion. Therefore, wastage, it must be reasonable wastage, but not, suppose for a bangle is there won't be any wastage. If a chain is there, wastage definitely will be there. Now it is all depends on the goldsmith and the businessman to collect the wastage. It is clearly said that this jewelry will we have to collect wastage on this. Previously, there are only two prices will be there. We used to depend on Mumbai. Now, at 12 o'clock and evening 4 o'clock, two prices used to come. But now, the rate is based only on the international market. Therefore, everybody looks at the TV and buys it, and every 5 minutes or 10 minutes, the rate is fluctuating, which is not good. Even business people also expecting the price to go up. They lost heavily in this trade. Because of price going up, the quantity has come down. The quantity has come down, but the value is all there. Therefore, quantity has come down to a very low extent. If a person wants to buy about 10 grams, he will just get himself satisfied with 2-3 grams. Business is flourishing because of only investment. People buy gold, look at the rate and sell it, and by that they lose or gain money also. Gem and Jewelry Federation today, they suggested the investment on gold need not be in the shape of gold. It can be in the shape of bonds or other things. It's a good idea. Therefore, by that also we can restrict the sale of gold. Jewelry industry is very good. People because of lot of rate going up, people are investing it.